Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber.
Thursday, October 6th, 07:37 a.m. New York time. Good morning. Day trading, overnight futures. I use the S&P 500 futures overnight. The symbol is /ES, and I use the options on it. Several of the reasons are because the ES has the best liquidity of any financial instrument that I know of to date. Plus, it offers options that expire daily for trading days. Also, the practicality of it is it's got tight spreads, like I said, good liquidity. If that changes, then I would consider other financial instruments, but this is currently the best one. Yeah. Well, overnight, I did a bearish position. This yellow arrow shows where the time frame I went short. And after that, I placed a working order to close, and it got closed over here. It was a bear call spread. My short strike was 17 delta. Placed the trade at 901. Let's go look at the, well, look here first. You can see we're looking here at a 1 hour chart also. Small little candles looking like distribution here. And then this huge impulse move down. Worked out fine because distribution, meaning thinking smart money selling, consolidation phase, and that's what happened. Impulse moved down, went lower, lower, lower. Yeah, I didn't stay in till expiration. Nope, just stayed in a small time frame. I think it was like 30 or 35% I made on the trade. Happy camper. I didn't lose. Any win is a better win than losing. Let's go look at the charts. So overnight price action, these candles, 4 hour candles. I labeled this before I started trading last night. This was supply zone. A lot of selling up here occurred. Yep. There's also in this consolidation phase. So you notice here, consolidation phase, retrace went higher, 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 consolidation phase. Let's take it to the 2 hour. Also labeled the low of this inside candle as 4 hour one. Coming in at the 2 hour. See this huge wick up here on this candle? Let's zoom in. Yep, that big wick. So I was expecting that to get retested, and then I would decide how to trade. And it did get retested. I'll show you momentarily on the lower time frame, faster time frame. And then again, when it went retested, excuse me, on the 1 hour, you can see this big impulse move up. That was during the primary trading hours yesterday. Big body, so I labeled the midpoint. I think that if that gets retested, I want to be aware of that. So that may be a trading area one way or the other, or taking profits through that. It did retest it. Let's take it to the 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute. Again, big wick, small candle, several retests. And let's take it to the 15-minute. This is where I actually took my trade off of. I had to set up on the higher time frames. I made all these. In my trade, I placed a short around this time frame because I was looking for this to get retested here, this area. So after we went down, I was thinking, okay, retest these other areas below that potential trade ideas, but it didn't occur. No, it didn't come all the way down here. What it did is retraced, and that's what one of my trade setups was, to look for retracement and see how it comes. So it came up here, inside candle, indecision. I'll zoom in. Zoom in some more. There we go. Inside candle, indecision, and it didn't take out that high. It reversed, broke, closed, trend in reverse. So I went bearish. Yep. It didn't go down as far as I want. Went up and did a retest again. Look at that. Lower high. Couldn't even take out that high. Went up, retest again, lower high. 1, 2, 3. Third time's a charm trying to test this high. Each one filled. And that third time, impulse moved down. Panic selling. And like I mentioned, my trade got closed around here. And ended up going lower, lower, lower. Into this, remember, 4-hour low I mentioned. This yellow horizontal line. Break and close below it was over here. I was not awake, but if one took that trade, when it broke and closed below, nice trigger, took on bearish short. Yeah, you could have wrote it down to this area. Remember, that was a demand zone of buyers, broke below there. Whatever, if you closed it there, you start gains. Remember that 1 hour candle I showed you over here? Right now we're looking at the 15-minute, but the 1 hour labeled this gray area. And I said it might be a trade area. Well, look at this. These two candles, huge tills on the bottom, almost like tweezer bottoms, followed by inside candle. Nice trigger, took on bullish, and now ran up to 37.75. Selling's up here. See big wicks on the top. Consolidation. Yeah. Weakness. So trend reversal might be one considered to trade bearish down here. And look for a break below here too. So it worked out fine. There were a lot of trade opportunities here. So if you're one that's awake during London session, Asian session, maybe you caught some of these. Excuse me, my throat. Yep. So now concerning, going back here in the higher time frame for the New York session in the morning, identify this huge red candle, mostly body, very bearish, very bearish. You had a high here, went higher high, and you went here a weakness, 2 inside candles, and it broke below that. So I have a high probability it might go down and continue trying to retest this wick down here. Yep. Yeah, it might have a retest of this body here too. But right now I'm leading bearish bias or looking for trades that way this morning going forward. And then I'll have to update these momentarily when I finish the video. But going here on the 15 minutes, identify this was the high yesterday, this was high of today. Currently, this is the low of today. So I already identified my range for the day. The high, the low. Again, this could change between now and 9:30. But these are potential areas when I say identify these high and lows, looking for potential retests. Yeah, retesting either one of those could be trade opportunities. Trade opportunities that breaks out continues or reversals. Nothing wrong sitting on hands and just sitting for those trades. If you don't want to trade scalping 1 minute or 5 minute, just sit here on the 15-minute, 30-minute. There we go. Here's the 15-minute now. Yep. Okay, many thanks for watching. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. If you've gotten value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal or Venmo. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe and leave a comment, please.